Welcome to Baruch Education, the channel that keeps you updated with current affairs and general knowledge. Awards. Dr. Jayashree Venkatesan became the first Indian to win the Ramsar Award 2025 in the Wetland Wise Use category. China's Liu Jiakun won the Pritzker Prize 2025, also known as the Nobel of Architecture. RBI received the Digital Transformation Award 2025 from Central Banking in London, UK. India ranked 4th in Global Wealth Hubs in the 19th Wealth Report 2025 after the USA, China and Japan. Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2025 conferred to R.K. Sriram Kumar, a violinist. Stockholm Water Prize 2025 conferred to Guntur Blost. 59 Janpith Award 2025 conferred to Vinod Kumar Shukla, a writer. Abel Prize 2025 conferred to Masaki Kashiwara, a mathematician. New appointments. Icon of Fit India is Ayushmann Khurrana, a Bollywood actor. New Finance Secretary is Ajay Seth. Chairman of Indian Banks Association is Challa Srinivasalu Setty. The Private Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi is Nidhi Tiwari. Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago is Stuart Young. 24th Prime Minister of Canada is Mark Carney. The Chairman and Managing Director of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited is Vikas Kaushal. Sports. Winner of Asian Wrestling Championship 2025 is Manisha Bhanwala. Commonwealth Games Federation renamed itself as Commonwealth Sports. Grandmaster Pranav Venkatesh became the 7th Indian to win the World Junior Chess Championship. Science and Technology. BioSarthi is an initiative to promote safe and responsible use of biological research and biotech innovations in India. ISRO and Semiconductor Laboratory developed 32-bit microprocessors Vikram 3201 and Kalpana 3201. Saturn now has 128 confirmed moons, the most in the solar system. Chandrayaan-5 mission will be conducted in collaboration with Japan. NASA will launch SpareX telescope to create the most detailed and vibrant map of the universe. Google launched Gemma 3, its latest lightweight open source AI model. Defense. DRDO developed Brahmastra, a long-range anti-ship missile with 1,500 km range, capable of striking enemy ships in 7 to 8 minutes from land or sea. INS Tavasya, a stealth frigate, was commissioned by the Indian Navy at Goa shipyard. India's Astra Mk-3 missile, a BVR air-to-air missile by DRDO, is now renamed Gandiva after Arjuna's bow. Exercise Sea Dragon 2025 is a multilateral anti-submarine warfare drill led by the US, with India and elite navies participating in Guam. India and Africa held their first joint naval exercise, INS AMI, called IKIMI, to boost maritime cooperation in 2025. Tri-service exercise Prachanda Prahar showcased joint combat readiness of Indian Army, Navy and Air Force in challenging terrains. The 23rd edition of India-French naval exercise called Varun 2025 was conducted to enhance maritime cooperation. India-Russia naval exercise called Indra 2025 14th edition held in Chennai. India-Bangladesh naval exercise called Bongo Sagar 2025 was held in Bay of Bengal. Indian Air Force conducted Tri-Service Special Forces Exercise Desert Hunt 2025 at Jodhpur Air Force Station. Kyrgyzstan is hosting Exercise Khanjar, the 12th India-Kyrgyzstan Joint Special Forces Drill. DRDO and Indian Navy successfully test-fired indigenous, vertically launched, short-range surface-to-air missile, in short, VLSR-SAM, from Chandipur's Integrated Test Range. Environment and Geography. 58 Tiger Reserve is Madhav National Park in Madhya Pradesh. World's largest wildlife rescue, rehabilitation and conservation is Vantara in Gujarat. The highest number of riverine dolphins recorded in UP. Asia's largest literature festival is Sahitya Academy. IRCTC and IRFC have been granted Navratna status. World's largest white hydrogen deposit discovered in France's Moselle region. Polity and governance. APAR is a unique student ID system under National Education Policy 2020's One Nation, One Student ID initiative. Assam government to launch AssamSat satellite to boost socio-economic, data access and border security. International relations. Raisina Dialogue 2025 was held in Delhi and was joined by PM of New Zealand, Christopher Luxon, as a chief guest. Ninth country to join the BRICS New Development Bank is Indonesia. The first woman and the first African to be elected president of IOC is Kirsty Coventry. The 24th World Sustainable Development Summit 2025, organized by TERI, was held in New Delhi. Important dates. 1st March, Zero Discrimination Day. Theme: We Stand Together. 3rd March, World Wildlife Day. Theme: Wildlife Conservation Finance, Investing in People and Planet. 8th March, International Women's Day. Theme: For all women and girls, rights, equality and empowerment. 15th March, World Consumer Rights Day. Theme: A just transition to sustainable lifestyles. 20th March, the International Day of Happiness. Theme: Caring and Sharing. 21st March, World Forestry Day or International Day of Forest. Theme: Forest and Food. 21st March, World Poetry Day. Theme: Poetry as a Bridge for Peace and Inclusion. 22nd March, World Water Day. Theme: Glacier Preservation. 23rd March, World Meteorological Day. Theme: Closing the Early Warning Gap Together. 24th March, World Tuberculosis Day. Theme: Yes, we can end TB. Commit, invest, deliver. Miscellaneous. March of Glory, co-authored by hockey historian K. Arumugam and journalist Errol D. Cruz. Diya Salai, autobiography of Kailash Satyarthi. Oscar Award 2025 for Best Picture, Anora. IIFA Award 2025 for Best Picture, Lapata Ladies. India delivered 15 tons of relief to Myanmar under Operation Brahma after the March 2025 earthquake affecting Myanmar and Thailand. North India's first nuclear power project is Gorakhpur, Haryana. 7 Act East Business held in Shillong. The 4th edition of Snow Marathon, Asia's only and world's highest snow marathon, was held in Lahul in Himachal Pradesh. Assam Cabinet named the upcoming electronic city in Jagirod as Ratan Tata Electronic City to honor his contribution to the state's development. Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah announced renaming Bangalore City University as Dr. Manmohan Singh Bangalore University in tribute to the former PM. The World Happiness Report 2025 reported India ranked 118 out of 147 countries. According to Global Terrorism Index 2025, Burkina Faso ranks first, Pakistan ranks second, and India ranks 14. According to World Air Quality Report 2024, India ranks as the fifth most polluted country. Birnihar in Meghalaya is found to be the most polluted city. Purple Fest 2025 for persons with disabilities held in Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Thank you for watching. To support this channel, like, share and subscribe.